test your tower to see if it's stable enough to stay up while the desk shakes.
Tap here when you're ready to test.
Aww, your tower wasn't stable enough.
How could you improve your tower? Let's redesign.
Let's think about how you could redesign your tower next time.
This is your tower before the test, and this is your tower after the test.
Which blocks helped make your tower stable during the shaking? Which ones would you change?
Drag the stickers to different parts of your tower to show what worked and what you could improve. Ready to redesign your tower? Tap the play button.
Each player gets 2 turns. Player 1, you go first.
Use the outlines of your last tower to help you plan your new tower. How could you improve it?
Player 2, it's your turn to add blocks to your team's tower. You have 2 turns.
Player 1, it's your last turn.
Player 2, it's your last turn.
Let's test.